Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video on the channel, and for today's video we are actually doing a POV drive in the morning slash day. I mean, it is kind of 2 AM right now, but we're going to be taking my stage 2 BMW M240I out on some nice roads today and show you guys what this thing is all about now that we've got the sports cat on and it's stage 2 tuned with MHD, boys. It is looking absolutely clean as fuck. Well, surprisingly, we're actually at a car wash. It looks very fancy. If you guys don't know what I've done to this, it's got a Forged Motorsport charge pipe, ram air induction kit, hot climate mod, air scoop, res delete, sports cat. I think that's about it, to be honest. So without further ado, let's actually hop in the car and get driving. So let's hop in the bad boy. So something I do want to get done is, obviously it's dark out right now, just like this place. I want my ambient lighting done. So I'm currently in the process of finding someone to do that, but really, really cool. Just a little blip in comfort mode with the exhaust rattle. Hear the turbo spooling. Oh, that is just... Let's take a cheeky right. Look, a quarter throttle, and it's just beautiful. It's just absolutely sensational. The noise of that turbo spooling up, and this is a stock turbo as well. Stock turbo. Just wait until we get a big boy slug. Single turbo. Oh my god, that is just going to sound monstrosity. And obviously it's a very cold night, so we're sucking in some absolute not cold air. So just feel like it makes it sound a lot nicer when it does that. But yeah, I don't know if you guys agree or not, but you know, like the Mercedes, like obviously have the nice ambient lighting. The only ambient kind of light we've got is there's a little, you know, light here that stays on, and there's a little light in the door handle that stays on. But other than that, pathetic. I really like this car at the moment because it's quiet. So when I'm going through places like this, you know, look how quiet it is. So I'm not annoying anyone. I want the ability to be quiet and loud when I want. So when I'm passing through here, those section 59s out here. Oh. Oh, that is just... Oh, that is just... But the turbo just spooled, and listen. Oh, and no pops and bangs either. It's in comfort mode, so no pops and bangs. Oh, creaming. But yeah guys, overall super happy with this stage 2. I'll show you guys in a second, but one thing we do need is new tires for the rears, because I can't put any of the power down that we made. There's literally no point even having this amount of power because I can't put it down. It's fun, but literally no power is being put down. Yeah, we just skid. Okay, I think we're joining the motorway now, so we can actually put some power down, or try to. We'll put it on sport plus 70 miles per hour. Let's turn these pops all the way up, right? Put some power down, baby. Gets up to speed so quickly. So guys, just before I get into today's POV, I would of course like to say a massive thank you to the sponsor of today's video, and I'll hand it over to Michael earlier on in the day. I would like to say a massive thank you to CARISTA for sponsoring today's video, and right here is their brand new CARISTA Evo, the next level OBD2 scanner, and boy is it beautiful. Whew. Now let's actually head downstairs and show you guys exactly what this incredibly powerful device can do. So the first step is actually plugging the OBD device into the OBD port in your car, then connect it on your phone. First incredible thing that this CARISTA device can do is customize and unlock hidden features on certain makes and models of cars. You can actually check if your car is compatible in the link in the description, but I'll talk about that later. So if we actually click customize, we can actually play around with a whole bunch of features, including turning off auto stop start, customizing coming home and leaving home lights, turning on puddle lights when in reverse, which is an absolutely incredible feature. So when I put it in reverse, the lights underneath the mirrors will shine down, so I'm not curbing my wheels, and a whole bunch more things. Next thing we can do is actually diagnose, and this includes checking and resetting fault codes. So if we actually hop in my MX-5, it's got an engine light that CARISTA can read exactly what it is.
So CARISTA will actually scan what that engine light is, and look at that, as simple as that and as quick as that, it's telling us that the mass or volume airflow A circuit high, and it even shows us freeze frame data when the engine light came up to show us exactly what went wrong when that engine light came up.
We can also perform DIY service procedures such as throttle body adaptation, fuel system priming, resetting service interval lights, and so much more. And last but not least, we can actually monitor our car's live data. So let's actually take it on a drive and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean.
So right here, we've actually got all of the different information from all the different sensors in the car to show us exactly what this car is doing right now. And if there was something wrong with it, we can see exactly what was wrong with it.
Now, if you guys are at all interested in using CARISTA, click the link in the description and go check if your car is compatible today. Let's actually get back to the video. Thank you, CARISTA, for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back. Nice little tunnel. Genuinely, this car is by far my favourite. Like, guys, if you're watching this right with a Corsa, because you know what some people got to remember is not everyone on this channel, right, has a 400 brake or horsepower car. Not even most people don't even have a 100 brake. You know, insurance out here is an absolute, I can't even lie, an absolute ball ache, right? Getting insured on this was crazy enough. Oh, luckily I'm with Adrian Flux. That was one of the only companies who would insure me on a BMW M240i. But like, most people don't have 500 brake horsepower cars, and like, you know, there's no need for 500 brake horsepower cars. Like, there's literally no point. Starting off with a Corsa, bro, just give it time. You know, soon you'll just upgrade and upgrade and upgrade. You know, I've been through 6 cars now to get to this BMW, I think. 6 cars? Yeah, I think around 6 cars to get to this BMW. But I've loved every single one of them. Enjoy the journey. If you've got a shitty little Corsa like I did, bro, enjoy it. Honestly. That's the days you'll remember. Oh, that is just... Are you guys a pop and bang person or not? Luckily, I've got the best of both worlds. I can choose. But I think sometimes I like pops and bangs, but sometimes I really like the no pops, like this. This is what downshifts would be like without pops. It just sounds so clean like that. But then you do a shift like this. That's how to turn up in style, I think. But if you want to turn up like a gentleman, there you go. Have no pops, just turbo sport. Boop, boop. Oh, I'm excited for this McDonald's, mate. So basically, I think I got 3 chicken selects. A free chicken select meal and a fruit shoot. Don't know where the fruit shoot went. Where did the fruit shoot go? I have no idea. Boop. That proper neck braking at that speed as well. I'll show you guys what the handling's like on this now. So like, not going outrageous, but this car is very sticky to the road, even with budgets. Boom. miles per hour, just like that. You know, this car is honestly almost no fun because it just gets up to speed so bloody quick. You know, in a Corsa, we'd be fighting through the gears, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That's the fun of it, right? You know, it takes 2 seconds to get up to the speed limit in its BMW before you have to just stop. Right, joining the motorway, so another little send, up to 70 miles per hour. Look at that pops. Oh my god, they are brutal. No, those pops are absolutely insane. I didn't quite think they were that bad until I just did it then. Now, if you're watching to this point in the video, comment down below, back to back, right? And I'll actually subscribe to your channel, right? Showing the love out here. Make sure you subscribe to me, comment back to back, and I'll subscribe back to you. Genuinely, if you have Instagram, I'll send proof. Bro, I'll subscribe to you on your YouTube channel. Even if you've got 0 subscribers, I'll subscribe. It's just funny to think that people get this far into videos, because like, I can't even imagine somebody sat there watching my videos. Come on, Thea. Let's hear these pops again. Wow. Oi, they are like, they're really... Oh. Jesus. And look, on stage 2, right, you can actually see the fuel, how much the fuel has gone down, right? And I'm not absolutely booting it, right? But at the same time, right, I have been sending it a little bit, and look how much the fuel gauge has moved. It's almost got more fuel efficient with this new sports car, and stage 2, of course. It's madness. Stage 2 fuel efficiency, baby. Oh mate, and I definitely need to get this car on track. It's just so good at handling, It's an all-round perfect car because you can drift in it, you can go quick in it. You know, when it wants to grip, right, and if you modulate, that's a big word for me, modulate the throttle, it really can stick. Yeah, you can really handle corners well in this car. Like, yeah, you can skid out at corners, right, but that is just so happy. Bro, I'd be happy in a Corsa. I'd honestly be happy in a Corsa. Corsas are lit, but this is just, it's just everything I want. Customizable to a T, but also as both. Look how it doesn't grip. That's how much power is pushing to the tires now. The tires just don't want to grip. You can just hear them squealing away like a flipping, you know that plant pot you pull out of Harry Potter and it was just screaming. Insane. Oh, it's an animal. Oops. Trying to step out there, but I've got quite a good grip on this road actually. But yeah guys, unfortunately that is actually going to be the end of today's video. You know what I mean, let's sit here, give it a little rev to end the video. Let's hear how bad this is. Oh, that's loud. So unfortunately guys, that is the end of today's video. I would pull over and show you guys the car one last time, but really like it's too dark. But yeah guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video on my BMW M240i stage 2 now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you are new because we are going stage 2 plus very, very soon. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Also follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff for more behind the scenes and stuff like that. I'm doing a Q&A over there and a reacted to subscribers card. So if you follow me on there, send in your cards and your questions, you might have a potential of being in the next video. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys dearly. I will see love faces in my next video. Whoop.